Some people can type in numbers really quickly into an adding machine. They just take a piece of paper with the numbers on it, they scan down the paper, and their eyes don't leave the paper at all. They can feel the keypad through their fingers, and within a very short time they've got the whole thing entered in a total. So why would you need to have a voice adding machine? The simple answer is that you need to keep both hands free and still have the ability to enter in data. Here is a toy example of a voice adding machine in operation. At first you will hear a simple interaction between the user and the machine to set up the environment. Then the adding machine says it's ready to go ahead, and then a series of objects are weighed, and using increments of 100 grams, the weights are entered into the adding machine and recorded. At the end, there is a report given, both a subtotal and then a final total.
Here is what I heard in 5 seconds listening.
Hello, Adder.
Good, everything seems to be in order. Now loading new module, continuing with task. Connected and ready for input.
One point 5.
1.5.
1.3.
1.3.
5.1.
5.1.
4.1.
4.1.
2.9.
2.9.
4.7.
4.7.
1.
The subtotal is 19.6.
0.
The total is 19.6. Closing down now, checking cleanup.